at the source of unity. There you'll find a joyful family. Some are sharing, some receiving. Every heart is full of giving. Seeds of Rwanda, hope unfolding. Our future strong, our story growing. Here we stand with one another, building dreams for every brother. What is Umuganura, friends? It's the first fruits that the harvest sends. We eat together, we raise our song, giving thanks where we belong. Grateful to God for every season, for every field and every reason. Sharing blessings hand in hand, love and peace across the land. Umuganura, harvest of unity, rooted in hope and dignity. Together we laugh, together we sing, sharing the harvest that life can bring. Rise Rwanda, shine so bright, growing stronger in the light. When August comes we all unite, young and old with hearts so bright. Every harvest, every field shows the strength our hands can build. Let us plant with faithful care, harvest plenty we can share. Side by side we'll proudly stand, building Rwanda hand in hand. More than feasting, more than bread, it's the path our elders led. Sharing first fruits joyfully, living in prosperity. Promise made for every day. Self-reliance lights our way. Umuganura, harvest of unity, pride of Rwanda for all to see. Together we laugh, together we sing, sharing the harvest that life can bring. Rise Rwanda, shine so bright, forever walking in the light. Umuganura,